Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect phone cover that combines style and durability? Well, today, we're diving into the unboxing of the Nord CE3 Back cover to see if it lives up to the hype. Introducing the Nord CE3 Back cover, a popular choice in the tech community known for its sleek design and protective features. Let's see if it's worth the buzz. Let's talk about the common issues faced with generic phone covers. From flimsy material to lack of proper fit, finding a reliable and stylish solution can be a challenge. The Nord CE3 aims to address these concerns with its premium quality and compatibility. Now, let's dive into the unboxing of the Nord CE3 Back cover. As we open the package, we're greeted with a well-crafted design, made from durable materials that promise to protect your phone without compromising on style. The cover fits snugly on the phone, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip. Here comes the key moment: the unique features of the Nord CE3 Back cover that make it stand out from other options on the market. From its scratch-resistant surface to the precision cutouts for easy access to ports and buttons, this cover is designed with both function and fashion in mind. In conclusion, the Nord CE3 Back cover impresses with its blend of style, durability, and functionality. After unboxing and examining it, it's clear that this cover is a top contender for anyone looking to elevate their phone's protection and aesthetics. Before we wrap up, don't forget to share your thoughts on the Nord CE3 Back cover in the comments below. If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to subscribe for more tech-related videos and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.